Alright, back.
Wait, no. The
Alright, back, guys. Yes.
here. Tab.
Tab. Tab.
Get it.
Oh, yeah.
Caps lock. Then
I always use caps lock.
and then shift.
And then here's the caps lock. I mean the tab. And then tab here. Caps lock. Aray.
Come on.
That hurt. Ow.
No, it doesn't. Come on.
Where is the
It's right there.
Where's the caps lock? Okay.
Yeah, Pachino.
Ah.
Come on, do it properly.
This hurt my hand.
Laki ng dugo.
Because of this freaking
Hold the keyboard. Bro,
Dugo?
never mind. Nagdugo yung kamot.
my finger.
Keyboard.
Because of the keyboard, that's why.
Kaya sabi,
Nara, gamay lang.
careful! Ano magdugo man?
Ba't yun niya eh?
Yeah, that was super
Ay,
hurt.
you forced yourself.
Gosh. Why does it smells like... Oh my god, it got yeeted. Why did I got yeeted?
Ejection.
It literally got yeeted. Alright. Where is my shift? Oh! Right here.
Your shift? That's not your shift. That's my shift.
Let me check if the shift is right there. Yep, correct.
Come on, yap. Ay, lagi si click ba?
Ay, oh my gosh.
Where's
Where's my-
hold?
Okay.
Naman.
Yes! Hapit na mahuman. Even though my hand is bleeding.
Alright,
2 minutes done so fast.